Good evening. There was a request done, and it was basically a request to see if you could get Origin running on the Steam Deck. Now, I sat last night and tried to do it for about, I want to say 3 hours. It's not a kick in the arse off 3 hours. Yeah, I just didn't get it working. So this video has been turned from getting Origin running on the Steam Deck to actually just getting Lutris running, because even that was an adventure on its own. So I'm basically going to walk you through how to install Lutris on the Steam Deck. Before you should get started, you should know that flat packs are shit. You don't need to know why, you just need to know their shit. Yeah, what we're gonna do is not use the Lutris on the store, because I went through the whole process of installing it, setting up, downloading a game, setting up Origin, downloading a game, and not being able to run it. Then was like, right, this is kind of new, don't trust the app stores on Linux. We had to turn to our good old friend, the terminal, and to throw a few spanners in the works, Steam have set the file system and the terminal as read-only mode. First thing you need to do is go to open the terminal and disable read-only mode with the following command. Then what you need to do is, it'll not let you do that, right? And it'll not let you do it because it'll actually prompt you for a password, which you won't have set yet. So what you need to do is type in PASSWD into the terminal and set a really super secure safe password and write it down, because always write your passwords down. So once you have that done, then you'll be able to disable the read-only mode. Then what we can do is get cooking, and what I mean by that is actually go and install Lutris from the Arch user repository, because SteamOS is based on Arch, and that's just basically where we install it from. So what we need to do before we actually try and install it, if we go and try and install it now straight away, it will fail, and it'll fail because it needs some signing keys. And basically what this does is, I don't fully know exactly, hopefully someone can point that out in the comments below, but basically what we need to do is init the keys and then populate the keys, like the key ring, sorry. Then once that's done, you can go ahead and install Lutris via the terminal. So that's us, that's basically how you install Lutris on the Steam Deck. If you found anything in this video useful, or you have any other suggestions about what to do with the Steam Deck, or what I could do, let me know. I failed miserably at getting Origin to work, and it turns out EA don't even support or have Origin anymore. It's called the EA app, and I tried running it and getting it installed just using Wine on its own, and that didn't work. So if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. If you have any suggestions, comments below. If you, for whatever reason, feel very kind today, hit the subscribe button. Okay, bye.